you see, girl, well, I remember how you said that sometimes it gets just a little harder being home. There's sand stuck in my bed and there's memories in my head, and love, I've been trying to let something go. See, it was late when I dropped you home, cause we were sober. And he said, well, why don't you stay? I said, love is just a little late for you to be seeing me this way. You see, I could pull my guard up because you let me down. But you can't blame.
Well, that only took 2.5 hours.
See, I could put my guard up because you let me down. But you can't blame that I wasn't always around. And I could put my guard up because you were the one to run away. You were the one to run away.
Exhausted?
Yeah.
Now that's all, and as long as that's counting, it's filming, and the red circle is record. So I want to make sure it's recording, okay? And we're counting. Yay.
There's memories of us in Betsy.
That's pretty steady, eh?
See, it was late when I dropped you home, cause we were sober. And you said, well, why don't you stay? I said, love is just a little late for you to be.
And I don't, there's no Zoom or nothing, so just.
Oh, and you see, I could put my guard up because you let me down. But you can't blame that I wasn't always around. And I could put my guard up because you were the one to run away. And you see, I put my guard up because you let me down. But you can't blame that I wasn't always around. And I could put my guard up because you were the one to run away.
Are you kidding? Hey guys, like hurry.
Oh, well, I need these kisses like they're free. See, her sings to me when I hear her calling, when I hear her calling. And she gives me kisses like she needs me. And it's so sweet because I know that she does. I need these kisses like they're free. See, her sings to me when I hear her calling, when I hear her calling. And she gives me kisses like she needs me.
So.
Alright, jump back here. Yeah, you're right.
The GoPro.
This is Tommy's. I'm on GoPro duty.
Where was he staying? Awesome, Tom. You ruined her makeup.
Okay, you're gonna have lots of time to
See, I keep my guard up because you let me down. But she can't blame that I wasn't always. See, I kept my guard up because you let me down. But she can't blame that I wasn't always around. And I kept my guard up because you were the one to run away. You were the one to run away. You were the one to run away.